Hello, and welcome to Adservio. Today, I will present the parent account, and for you to get familiar with our features, I will get you through the most common modules within our platform. Let's start with the report card, which displays your child's entire school activity, grades, absences, and behavior. The homework will be uploaded by the teacher on Adservio, and you will be able to see it as well. The news module keeps you up to date with your school's announcements, so you don't miss out on any event or important information. You are able to monitor your child's progress for each subject or overall. This way, you can prevent less desired outcomes and celebrate each achievement together. You can easily communicate with other parents and teachers through the Messages module. Now there is no need to know their email addresses. Plus, all data is kept safe. You will be notified of each new message by app notification and email. From learning or volunteering projects to parents' meetings or school events, you can watch over or get involved in your child's extra activities from the Groups section. The photos and videos activities are stored in the Photos module. As a student within Adservio, your child has access to an entire library full of textbooks and to EduMarket, a module dedicated to educational resources and personal development.